When two people collaborate to inspect and unclog a toilet trap, they can work more quickly and with less mess than a lone homeowner. Start by preparing the area and gathering tools so the operation is efficient and safe. Put on long gloves and eye protection and place old towels or a waterproof mat around the base to catch spills. One person should remove excess water from the bowl with a small bucket or cup and a hand pump if available to lower the water level enough to see. The partner kneels with a waterproof hand mirror and a flashlight to illuminate the curve of the trap from an angle below the rim and behind the bowl while keeping the light steady. This gives a live visual without disassembling the toilet. The second person uses a straightened coat hanger, a hand auger, or a disposable plumbing snake depending on the suspected clog material, and advances the tool slowly while the observer calls out what they see so the operator can adjust direction and pressure. If resistance is solid and will not move with steady, gentle strokes, stop and switch to a hand auger or call a professional to avoid cracking the porcelain or pushing the obstruction deeper. Common mistakes are rushing the procedure and pushing an obstruction farther into the drain, which makes extraction harder. Pause, get a clear view with the mirror and coordinate small, controlled movements. Another issue is using excessive force that can scratch or crack the toilet bowl or damage seals. Use plastic tools first, and if metal is required, protect surfaces with cloth and proceed gently. People also forget to control hygiene and cross-contamination, which risks illness and staining. Keep gloves, disposable rags, and a bleach solution ready, dispose of contaminants properly, and wash hands thoroughly afterward. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like these so you can find people in your area who do similar repairs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips and coordinate experiences, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting them with homeowners looking for help.